Hello, this is Mark again. What I'm going to show you now in this video is the use of the Functions button as well as the use of the Filters button. These are two easy ways to take shortcuts to make looking at the data on your spreadsheet easy. The Functions button allows you to use sum, average, count, max, min. It's some great. There's also additional functions you can get scripts for by clicking on the More Functions icon. What I'm going to show you right now is the sum and the average functions. These are probably the two most common uses in a spreadsheet. One of the easiest ways to do this is to start by clicking inside the cell where you want the total to show up. Click on your Functions tab, the arrow next to the sigma sign, and choose Sum. In this case, it's going to add up all of the cells from where I start by clicking on Shift. I will give me to the bottom. Click on the bottom cell that I want to add. I click on Enter, and the total is done for me. I will do that one more time. Start with my cell that I want to utilize with the answer. Click on the sigma sign, choose Sum. Click in the first cell I want to count. Click on Shift. Click on the last cell that I want to be counted. I click Enter, and all the data inside has now been counted. Likewise, you can do the same with the average. It'll provide you the average of all the data put within that cell range. I'm going to do this a different way. What I'm going to do is highlight all of the cells I want to be averaged. Click on the down arrow, click on average, then I click Enter, and it does it for me as well. So there's a second way that you can do this. I'll repeat that one more time. Choose the first cell I want to have averaged. Highlight all the way to the last cell that I want averaged. Choose my average function. Select Enter. And now it's all averaged out for me. So that's one quick and easy way to use the sum and average feature. Something else that I like to do when looking at my spreadsheet is looking at the data inside. So what I will do is select all of my cells and then turn on filters. And that's what this icon is right here. It looks like an oil filter. I will turn on the filters, and what you'll notice is the top row now has a selectable icon that I can choose. So what I will do here, if I wanted to see all the freshmen, is I would click on that blue filter button, select Clear, and choose Freshmen. From here, it then eliminates all of the other cells that are not related to freshmen. So here would be my wife and I. There's the information provided. That's a very simple way. If I want to turn those off, I just click on the filter icon again, and all my data comes back. One thing to point out, the data does not go away. It's not deleted. It's just removed from view. If you are sharing this sheet and you turn the filters on, anyone who opens up the sheet after you turn on the filters will see whatever it is you've done. So make sure when you are finished that you turn off filters. All right. That is how you will use the functions and filter icons within Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know.